Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another twist out tutorial just using different products this week. I went ahead and used one of my holy grails, Naturally United Curls cake batter, and this is actually new to me, which is her buttercream icing, which goes hand in hand with the cake batter. Now the cake batter does have more than one use. I've talked about this on my Instagram page. This could be used as a deep conditioner, a pre-poo, to refresh, and as a leave-in. So always a plus when you can use a product for more than one thing. So I have a code for Naturally United Curls. It's LA10, ELLAE10. So you can get 10% off, and make sure you sign up for her email alerts so you know when this is back in stock, because this goes so fast. So if you go on her website now and don't see it, it's just she's working on restocking these products, but they will be back soon. So I did use these two in my wash week. And also for the washing products, I used Nature's Little Secret Rose Hydrating Shampoo and the Rose Hydrating Deep Conditioner. These two together were amazing. You will see in the video how I had amazing slip, left my hair hydrated after. I just loved these combinations put together. I also have a discount code for Nature's Little Secret, which is LA20, ELLAE20 for 20% off your final and entire purchase. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and how I use these products, just keep watching.